Welcome to the sweet journey of America's peaches. Peaches have become an iconic fruit, representing not only the vibrant, sunny days of summer, but also the hard work and innovation that goes into producing this delicious, nutritious fruit. This journey takes us through the orchards of America, where farmers dedicate their time and expertise to perfecting their craft. Let's take a closer look at the fascinating process of peach cultivation and harvesting, from the very first seed planted to the moment a fresh peach arrives on your table. Each year, the U.S. experiences an incredible harvest of over 1.2 billion pounds of peaches. This widespread cultivation spans from the West Coast to the East Coast, each region contributing to the rich diversity of peaches available to consumers. Among these, California stands out, accounting for a staggering 80% of the nation's total peach production. With its ideal climate for agriculture, including long, warm summers and moderate winters, California is the perfect home for sprawling peach orchards, producing nearly 980 million pounds of peaches each year. But the story doesn't end in California. Other states, including South Carolina, Pennsylvania, and Colorado, also play a role in peach production, each offering their own unique varieties that enrich the flavor profiles and textures available. South Carolina, known for its history in peach farming, produces some of the juiciest and sweetest varieties. Meanwhile, Pennsylvania and Colorado add their unique peach flavors, giving consumers a wide variety to choose from, no matter where they are in the country. Peaches are not just a summer delight, they are a testament to the hard work and ingenuity of American farmers. The process of growing peaches begins long before the first tree is even planted. Farmers carefully select the best orchards, rich with history, and combine traditional farming practices with the latest agricultural technology to ensure their peach trees thrive. These farmers don't just grow fruit. They invest in a process that requires constant innovation and adaptability to keep up with evolving challenges such as weather conditions, pests, and diseases. Across the U.S., peach orchards vary greatly. In the South, historic orchards that have been passed down for generations focus on sustainable farming practices, ensuring that their trees continue to produce high-quality fruit. In contrast, the West Coast is home to state-of-the-art farming technologies that optimize irrigation, protect against pests, and manage the health of the trees through advanced monitoring systems. These technological advancements help maximize yield while ensuring that the peaches harvested are of the highest quality. Peaches are beloved for their sweet, delicate flavor and smooth, velvety skin. Their aroma is as enticing as their taste, and they're often considered one of the most flavorful fruits, with a taste that perfectly embodies the sweetness of summer. What makes them so special, however, goes beyond their flavor. Peaches are also packed with nutrients that provide significant health benefits. First and foremost, Peaches are an excellent source of vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which is essential for boosting the immune system and maintaining healthy skin. Additionally, they are rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals in the body and reduce inflammation. Peaches also provide a good amount of fiber, promoting digestive health and supporting a healthy heart. For farmers, cultivating peaches is no easy task. They require specific environmental conditions to thrive, including well-draining soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. The ideal soil type for peaches is sandy loam, or light alluvial soil, which allows for proper drainage while providing the necessary nutrients. Before planting, the land must be carefully prepared, often by enriching the soil with organic matter or compost. This ensures that the peach trees have a healthy foundation to grow from. While most peach trees are grown from grafts, it is also possible to grow peaches from seeds. This process, however, requires patience and precision. The first step is extracting the peach pit from the fruit. This can be a challenging task, as the pit must be cracked open to access the kernel inside. The process requires the right tools and techniques to avoid damaging the kernel, which will eventually sprout into a new tree. To crack the pit, farmers typically use a steel block or a concrete surface, along with a hammer and pliers. Locking pliers work best for holding the pit steady while striking it with the hammer, as they prevent the pit from slipping. It's important to strike the pit on the side with the harder surface to split it efficiently. Safety goggles should always be worn during this process to protect the eyes from flying fragments. Once the pit is cracked, the seed inside needs to be stratified, exposed to cold temperatures for a period of time to break dormancy. This is typically done by storing the seeds in moist sand or a damp cloth inside a plastic bag in a refrigerator for 2-3 months. This process encourages the seeds to germinate, helping them prepare for planting. After stratification, the seeds can be planted in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil in sterilized seed trays or small pots. Once the seedlings have grown to 4-6 inches tall, they are ready for transplanting into the garden. Growing peaches from seeds is a slow and careful process, but it can be rewarding for farmers who are looking to propagate their orchards and maintain a variety of healthy trees. Once the peach seeds have been stratified and germinated, it's time to plant them in the garden. The planting process is crucial for ensuring the trees have the space and nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. Farmers carefully choose the planting site, taking into consideration factors like soil quality, sunlight, and proximity to other trees. The planting hole should be at least 18 inches deep and 18 to 24 inches wide to allow the roots ample space to grow. If the tree is being transplanted from a pot, the root ball should be placed at the same level as the surrounding soil. After the tree is positioned correctly, the hole is backfilled with soil, and the tree is watered thoroughly to settle the soil around the roots. Adding organic compost or a nitrogen-rich fertilizer at this stage helps create a nutrient-dense environment, encouraging healthy root and leaf growth. Peach trees need to be spaced properly to avoid overcrowding. Farmers typically plant trees 10 to 15 feet apart to ensure that each tree receives enough sunlight and air circulation. This spacing helps prevent the spread of diseases and pests, allowing each tree to thrive and produce high-quality fruit. Pruning is one of the most important tasks in peach tree care. It helps shape the tree, remove damaged or weak branches, and ensure that the canopy has the right structure for optimal fruit production. Pruning also improves air circulation and sunlight exposure, which are crucial for the tree's overall health and fruit quality. The first pruning should be done in the tree's first year of growth. During this time, farmers remove any weak, damaged, or overlapping branches to create an open canopy. This allows better light penetration and airflow, reducing the risk of disease and pests. The goal is to establish a strong main trunk and 3 to 4 evenly spaced primary branches that will serve as the tree's framework. In addition to removing unwanted branches, farmers also remove any suckers that grow from the roots or lower trunk. These suckers drain energy from the tree, so removing them ensures that the tree focuses its resources on the main branches and fruit-bearing parts of the tree. The ideal time for pruning is in late winter or early spring, while the tree is still dormant. This allows the tree to recover quickly and continue to grow vigorously during the next growing season. Peaches are more than just a fruit. They represent the heart and soul of American agriculture. From the passionate farmers who dedicate their lives to perfecting their craft, to the innovative technologies that make peach farming more efficient and sustainable, peaches are a symbol of the dedication and ingenuity that drives the American agricultural industry forward. As the peach harvest continues to thrive across the U.S., the future of peach farming looks bright. With advances in farming practices, new varieties, and a commitment to sustainability, the industry is poised for continued growth. Whether enjoyed fresh, baked in a pie, or preserved in a jar, peaches will remain a beloved fruit that brings joy to people across the country. So next time you bite into a juicy, sweet peach, remember the journey it took to get to your table. Through the hard work of farmers, the innovation in farming practices, and the dedication to producing the best peaches possible. The story of peaches is far from over, and there's always something new to discover in this sweet, juicy world.